Hi everybody, my name is Jordan. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be running through a 15-minute seated core workout with you today. This is great for beginner level, those of you new to exercise, senior level, people who have a hard time getting up and down off the ground. So I kind of set everything up to work your core, but you can stay seated versus getting down on the ground today. So first thing we're going to start with, it's going to sound super simple, but really important to get your core activated. So we're going to be doing just some deep belly breathing. So if you'd like to, you can go ahead and put your hands on your belly just to get a feel for it. When you inhale, I want you to feel that belly kind of push out, and then you exhale, it should kind of come back in. So let's do a few of those. Deep breath in and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. One more time, deep breath in and exhale. Good. All right. So next thing I'm going to have you do is bracing the core. So when I say engage the core, I want you to think of it as a belly brace. So you're not thinking about sucking the stomach in, but instead just kind of tightening everything up. So I want you to think about tightening that belly. Hold it. Hold it. Good. Release. We're going to do that again. Tighten everything up. Hold it there. Good. And release it. And one more time, tighten everything, hold, and squeeze, and release. All right, now we're sitting up nice and tall. You're kind of on the front edge of your chair here. You're not sitting all the way back. Sitting up nice and tall, hands are gonna come right behind your head, open up the chest, and then nice and easy, just a little torso rotation. Take it side, center, side, and center. Good. All right, we're going to do 10 more of these. All right, we're going to go for 4 more. Last 2. And 1. Perfect. All right, now hands are going to come right out in front of the chest. You might need to scoot back a little bit. The further forward you are, the harder this exercise is going to be. So we're keeping that back nice and flat, and all you're doing is sitting back and up. So it's a very modified version of a sit-up. We're keeping that spine nice and neutral. So lean back until your back just kind of barely touches the chair, and then use your core to sit up. So you can modify this to your level by scooting back a little bit, and then you don't have quite as far to go, or to make it harder, scoot yourself a little bit further forward. Good. Let's go 5 more on this. Nice and easy, taking it at your own pace. Good. I've got 3 more. Last 2. And last 1. Sit up nice and tall, scooting towards the front edge of that chair again. We're going to go ahead and take your hands behind your head. Nice big chest opener. And we're going to go ahead and just do a little side dip and center. Little tilt to the side and back up to the center. Good. We're going to go 3 more on this side, and then we'll get your other side. Last 1. Take it back to the center, and let's switch it up. Take it over and up. All right, we're down to those last 3. And last 1. All right, perfect. So again, keeping that spine nice and neutral, you're gonna kind of come back and lean back so the upper part of your back is on that chair. Back is still flat though, and we're gonna go into some knee lifts here. So we're gonna just alternate, lift up and down. Lift it up, take it down. Good. And you can do whatever you want with your hands. If you've got armrests on your chair, you can keep them there. You can keep them on your lap. It's up to you. Good. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, just the right leg. Lift and lower. Try to not tap that toe down now in between. We're just going to keep that leg kind of suspended. Lift and lower. Good, that's 5. We've got 5 more to go. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and switch it over to your other side for 10. We've got 5 more. Last 2. And last 1. All right, now we're sitting up nice and tall. We're going to take those hands behind your head. Now you're going to do that knee lift again, but you're going to kind of do a little bit of a torso rotation with it. Just a nice, easy, gentle movement. Good, keeping that core braced like we practiced in the beginning. All right, that's 10. We've got 10 more to go. All right, last 2. And last 1. Very good. All right. Set up nice and tall here. We're going to take one leg straight out in front of you. We're going to do some leg lifts. So just lift and lower. Lift up, lower down. Trying as much as you can to lift using your core. Last one on this side. All right, take it down, other side. Lift and lower. Good. We've got 3 more on this leg. Good. And take it down. All right, we're going to take a little break from sitting here. I'm going to have you stand up. We're still going to be utilizing the chair, and we are going to come back to it. But what we're going to do now is just use the back edge of it, or you could come up against a wall instead. You're going to come into a plank position here, all right? So notice my heels are lifted up off the ground, hips are down so that my core is working. What I'm going to have you do is take that knee to the chest and step it back, up and down. Good. That's 10 down, 10 to go. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going to keep holding this plank position. Resituate yourself. Now you're going to tap your toe out to the side, back into the center, alternating those legs. Again, this same move can be done up against a wall. If this feels too easy, you can take your hands onto a surface that's a little bit lower. The more upright your body is, the easier the move is going to be. Let's go 10 more. Let's go 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. All right, we're going to come back to a seated position here on your chair for a few more moves. This next one is going to be a bicycle. So you're going to scoot a little bit further back in that chair. You're going to have your upper back resting, but again, back is straight. And we're going to do a little bicycle motion with those legs. We're going to do a couple sets, 10 seconds each. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a rest, deep breath in. And exhale. Let's lean it back and repeat. 10 seconds. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Deep breath in. And exhale. Take it back again. Get in position and let's go. 10 seconds. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in. Exhale, release. We're going to do that 2 more times. Lean it back and let's go. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit up nice and tall. Deep breath in. And exhale. Last set. Lean back. Get ready. And let's go. Last 10 seconds on your bicycle. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right. Very good. Next up, we're going to once again kind of lean yourself back. Actually, no, we're going to sit up on this one, a little bit different. So again, straighten out that back. You're going to go ahead, tap those heels out, toes. Heels and toes. If you want a little extra challenge, try to take those arms out in front of you. Heels and toes. Lifting both legs up. If that's too much, you can always just do one leg at a time. Good. Good control here. It's not about speed. Let's count out 10 more of these. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. And hands come behind your head now. We're sitting up nice and tall. We're going to go ahead, bring those elbows towards each other. Sit up nice and tall, open it up. Get a nice stretch there. Elbows come in, sit up nice and tall, open everything up. Good. Inhale, elbows towards each other. Exhale, extend them out. We're going to do 3 more just like that. Last 2. Last 1. And hands come behind your back now. Nice big chest opener. Look up. Nice deep breaths. Deep breath in. We're going to reach those arms up. And exhale. 2 more of those. Deep breath in. Reach up. Exhale. Last time. Deep breath in. Reach those arms up nice and tall. And exhale. Release. All right. Awesome job, everybody. Thanks for joining me today.